When it comes to improving your home, few upgrades deliver as many long-term benefits as installing energy-efficient windows. In Frisco, where summers can be sweltering and winters surprisingly chilly, these windows are more than just a luxury, they're a smart investment. They not only improve comfort and curb appeal but also reduce energy costs and increase home value. Let's explore why choosing energy-efficient windows in Frisco is one of the best decisions a homeowner can make. Lower energy bills year-round. The most immediate advantage of energy-efficient windows is their ability to reduce monthly utility bills. Traditional single-pane windows often allow heat to escape in the winter and let warm air flood in during the summer. This forces your HVAC system to work overtime, driving up energy costs. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced features such as double or triple panes, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas fills between panes. These features help maintain a stable indoor temperature, reducing the load on your heating and cooling system. In Frisco's climate, that translates to noticeable savings month after month. Improved comfort and indoor climate. Drafty rooms and uneven temperatures are common complaints in homes with outdated windows. Energy-efficient windows act as a barrier, minimizing drafts and eliminating hot or cold spots. Imagine enjoying your living room during the peak of summer without feeling the Texas heat seeping in through the glass. With these windows, indoor spaces stay more consistent, creating a comfortable environment for your family all year long. This level of comfort is particularly valuable in areas like Frisco, where temperature swings can be significant between seasons. Enhanced home value and curb appeal. For homeowners thinking about selling in the future, energy-efficient windows are a major selling point. Today's buyers are looking for homes with modern, sustainable features that reduce long-term living costs. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you're not only improving your own experience but also making your home more attractive on the market. Prospective buyers often see these upgrades as a sign that the property has been well cared for, and they're willing to pay more for the added value. In a competitive housing market like Frisco, this can make your home stand out. Noise reduction. For a quieter home, Frisco has grown rapidly in recent years, bringing with it more traffic, construction, and neighborhood activity. While this growth is exciting, it can also increase noise levels. Energy-efficient windows provide an unexpected benefit: sound insulation. Their multi-pane design and tight seals help block out unwanted noise, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. Whether you live near a busy road or simply want more tranquility inside your home, this feature is a significant perk. Environmental benefits. Choosing energy-efficient windows is not just good for your home, it's also good for the planet. By reducing the amount of energy your household consumes, you're lowering your carbon footprint. In a city like Frisco that's committed to sustainable growth, these eco-friendly upgrades align with broader community goals. This environmental benefit also resonates with eco-conscious buyers and can enhance your pride in homeownership, knowing your choices contribute to a greener future. Long-term durability and savings. Modern energy-efficient windows are built to last. They're designed with durable frames and advanced materials that resist warping, fading, and weather damage. That means fewer repairs and replacements over time. When you factor in reduced maintenance, lower energy bills, and added resale value, the return on investment becomes clear. While the upfront cost may be higher than standard windows, the long-term financial and lifestyle benefits far outweigh the initial expense. Final thoughts. Energy-efficient windows in Frisco are more than just a trend, they're a practical investment with lasting rewards. From reducing utility bills and improving comfort to boosting resale value and contributing to environmental sustainability, the benefits are hard to ignore. If you're looking for a home improvement project that pays off in multiple ways, energy-efficient windows should be at the top of your list. With the right installation, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly home for years to come.